You feel me? I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a beat, you feel me? I don't know who will rap on this, no cap. I just made it cause it was hard, you feel me? But like, this how it sound. Hold on. I put something else in there too, but see, like, I got the trial on that bit, you feel me? Hold up. Hold on real quick. Where is that motherfucker at? I had that guitar taking up all my CPU, you feel me? Look at this shit. I need a flash drive or some shit. Alright, so here go the tutorial, you feel me? So like, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta mute all these. Hold on. I don't even gotta do all that. Hold up, bro. Oh my god. Well, basically, you feel me? I got these samples. Alright, man, fuck it. Fuck the sample. Fuck the sample. Alright, so we gonna go to the piano, you feel me? Alright, so like I put grand piano on that motherfucker right here. You get it from right here. Yeah. Alright, so like I spread out the keys, like I moved them off the grid so they could sound more realistic. So this how it sound. What is that sound? What is that, man? What the fuck? This shit tripping. I'ma ignore that right now, but like, so then I put a top piano on that bit. Sound like this. Alright, yeah. I know that was hard, ain't it? Man, you feel me? I put delay on that one. Put EQ, all that. And um stream. And I put a whistle. You heard this whistling. If y'all heard of Gangsta Fever by Youngboy, you feel me? He my master, you feel me? He the best rapper of all time, Youngboy. But like the song Gangsta Fever, they had that bitch in here. Damn, you feel me? I had to put that guitar in there, boy. That guitar, you feel me? This is a guitar right here. Yeah, that's hard, ain't it? I know. Then put a hi-hat on that motherfucker. I put 2 hi-hats on that bit. I panned it too. I don't think I put none on though. Yeah. I put reverb on there. Yeah. I put another hi-hat on there. Ain't nothing special. We could skip on to that. Guitar style. This is my favorite one. Use it in like all my beats. You feel me? That's it. Put delay on that motherfucker. I put delay on that bed and reverb. Wah wah. It'll go to wah wah. Nothing special. Put it on this part. Alright. Oh. Then this I think this is the last one I put on her. I put delay on that one too. I put a bass on that. Put a bass on that motherfucker. That's hard, I know. Best producer of all time. Y'all gonna hear me on one of y'all favorite rappers' beats, you feel me? I'm gonna be on Youngboy beats and Lil Baby's, you feel me? This another one right here. Alright, I put a snap on them. I put reverb on all my snaps, you feel me? I put a room shot, another room, and then here go to 808. Yeah, I know that's hard. And then took out the high end on that bit. That's it. Alright, a kick. Kick on that motherfucker. Oh, let me go to the kick real quick. Put a kick on that motherfucker. Yeah, like sometimes you gotta let the kick breathe. Most of y'all niggas, like y'all be going crazy with the kicks, be fucking up the whole beat. Cause let the kick breathe, bitch ass nigga. Stop playing, bitch. Let the fucking kick breathe, hoe ass nigga. All that bitch ass shit. Let it breathe, hoe. You feel me? Alright, if you wanna make your beats bouncy, you feel me? Put a open hat on that motherfucker. This a light one though, so it ain't gonna be that bouncy. Alright, then last, put a crash on that motherfucker. And that's it, you feel me? So this how the beat turned out. Hold on. Oh yeah, hold on. Before the beat start, hold on. Put saw clip on your shit. That's the main key to make your shit bouncy. Saw clip on that motherfucker. Soft clipper. And don't over exaggerate the 808 putting the shit all the way up here. You feel me? I'll fix that later. Alright, so then This it. And y'all hear the sample, you feel me? Alright, that's it, you feel me? Follow me on Instagram. Dagameluvzionn, spell love, LUV, and then 2 N's at the end, you feel me? And like, peace out, you feel me? Y'all gonna see me in the future. YouTube lame as hell, so it's gonna be a little while before I post on here, you feel me? And have a good day, bitch ass niggas.